Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to hide likes on Instagram application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open our Instagram application, and right after that you need to see that there will be like 5 sections down part here. There will be like home, explore, this post button to creating content, reels, as well as the profile section. Now you just need to visit your profile. And right after that, take a look on the top right corner. There will be like 3 straight lines there. Go click them, and right away you just need to go click the settings and privacy. In the settings and privacy, now you just need to take a look on this what you see box says, and then you just need to see here that there will be a like and share counts. Go click them. If we want to hide the likes, you just need to go turn on this button, and you're done. Now you already hide the likes counts on Instagram application, so you're not gonna see the Instagram or the any other content likes. So that is the way how to hide likes on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.